Alright, so here's a quick tip for Vim users who are not known to use this kind of facility. I'm assuming, which is a bad thing, but still it's the case. So those of you who don't know, they'll come to know about it. Okay, please excuse the expert Vim users. This is for the people like me. So how do you execute an ex command without getting into Vim? That means, how could you write and execute an ex command without getting or opening Vim? That means from the command line. Fortunately, Vim has a flag which is -c, which take ex command and act on a particular file. Okay, so let me show you how that could be done. So let me go to my terminal. Okay, so first of all, the file I'm going to act on, let me show you. Config.h, this is just an arbitrary file. Don't worry about the syntax. So you see, this is just a file. Now for instance, for this demonstration purpose, I want to remove all the static word. You see my cursor is hovering from this file. Without getting into Vim, like now I am inside of Vim, right? But I don't want to do that because I already know what I need to do with the file. I could do that straight from the command line, okay, or with the help of specific Vim flag instead of coming and opening the Vim with that particular file. Okay, I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, let me close it. Now say for free, I said it takes a parameter -c to run the ex command without getting into Vim. So if I double quote it and say, because I want to act on the entire file, that's why the percentage is there, is for substitute. If I write static, okay, and padded with nothing and place G for the change, and then I encode just to make sure it is within the code, so it will execute as ex command. The important thing, you have to place another C and then WQ, save the file. And so before doing that, you have to give, this is the file name, okay, so it will be act on it, but you have to write it and save it, right, the changes also. So all you have to do, -c and WQ, that's all. So Vim has a flag -c. Now I'm going to replace all the static word in that particular file, what I have shown to you, to none. I'm taking a simplest possible example. Think about it. It could be done. I have done much more convoluted stuff like this, but this is a great facility. You do not have to open the file in Vim. Without doing that, you can do it straight from the command line. So if I do, bang, it's done. Now if I go back, okay, and I'm trying to open now, if I go on the top, see, all the static is gone, right? I'm just taking a simple example to show you what could be done. Okay, this is a bloody powerful feature if you wanted to do something very quick without opening the file, or if you want to automate something with Vim and don't want to get inside Vim but want to make things appear, because Vim allows to do you a lot of things much easier way, right? So I have done so many stuff like this in my lot of other automation stuff. Okay, so this is very nifty and very useful stuff if you wanted to do that. Let me show you a convolution or the kind of automation I have done like this before. If you go back to my channel and find out something, it should be there. I have made that kind of video before, so but I'm giving you a reference. See, this is the same thing, part of the automation. There are other files also. This is one of the stages where I want to get rid of something from the outputted stuff in other file, so I use it like this inside a script to make things happen for me. I just showed you from the command line that this could be easily embedded inside a script to play like that, which is what I have done many times for different thing. This is what you are seeing on the screen. It is one of the thing what I do. It is ugly because of my poor knowledge to do something better, but it does the work for me. I'm just showing you that you could done so many things without getting into Vim, straight from the command line if you wanted to do something like that. Vim has the facility. I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.